Starting a new hashtag trend can be an exciting way to engage your audience, create buzz around a topic, or promote a cause. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to start a new hashtag trend. 1. Define your purpose. Clearly define the purpose of the hashtag trend. Is it for awareness, promotion, engagement, or something else? Understanding your goal will help shape the content and messaging. 2. Choose a unique and catchy hashtag. Choose a hashtag that is easy to remember, relevant to your topic, and unique to your campaign. Avoid using overly complicated or long hashtags. 3. Research existing hashtags. Before finalizing your hashtag, research to make sure it isn't already in use for a different purpose. You want your hashtag to be distinct to your campaign. 4. Plan your content. Develop compelling content related to your hashtag trend. This could include photos, videos, blog posts, or graphics. Your content should resonate with your target audience and encourage them to participate. 5. Identify your target audience. Determine who your target audience is for the hashtag trend. Knowing your audience will help you tailor your messaging and content to their interests. 6. Create engaging content. Create high-quality content that stands out and encourages people to participate. This could be a visually appealing image, a thought-provoking question, a challenge, or a call to action. 7. Promote the hashtag. Start using the hashtag in your own posts to kickstart the trend. Share engaging content that showcases how others can participate. 8. Collaborate with influencers. Collaborate with influencers, individuals, or organizations in your niche who have a larger following. Their participation can help amplify your hashtag trend. 9. Encourage user participation. Encourage your followers and others to use the hashtag in their posts. Prompt them to share their thoughts, stories, photos, or experiences related to the trend. 10. Offer incentives. To incentivize participation, consider running a contest or giveaway that requires users to use the hashtag. Offer prizes that are relevant to your campaign. 11. Engage and respond. Monitor the hashtag and engage with participants by liking, commenting, and sharing their posts. Respond to comments and encourage ongoing engagement. 12. Amplify through different channels. Share your hashtag trend across your social media channels, website, newsletters, and any other relevant platforms to maximize its reach. 13. Measure and analyze. Keep track of the engagement and reach of your hashtag trend. Use analytics to measure its impact and understand what worked well and what can be improved. 14. Keep the momentum going. Even after the initial launch, keep using the hashtag and encouraging participation. Share user-generated content, success stories, and updates related to the trend. 15. Adapt and iterate. Pay attention to how the trend evolves and adapt your strategy based on the feedback and engagement you receive. Continuous improvement is key to maintaining momentum. Remember, starting a successful hashtag trend requires creativity, consistency, and engagement. Be patient and flexible as trends take time to gain traction.